Once you've registered for an account with Wootzoo, you can sign in at this URL, which is /providers/login. This is your dashboard where you can see like an overview of everything. If it's your first time logging into Wootzoo, you'll be prompted to fill out the essential parts of creating the profile, setting up your payments for Go Cardless or Stripe, just so you can take payments. You can then go into your customers tab. If you don't have any customers there, you can invite your people from here, and we can extend this so you can just plump in a lot of email addresses. So you can like do a group invite, but right now it's just individual invites. So you can pop in your user there, send them an invite. They'll get an email saying your company name has decided to use Wootzoo. Click on the link to sign up. So here is the official email invitation. It'll have your company details on there, logo and banner image. We'll have a branding at the bottom, but that's just the email. So they click on that then, so they can get redirected to your page from there. This particular page is a bilingual page that's set in the back end for them. So they've chosen to use the Welsh language, so they can send communications in English or Welsh. That's just a setting. If you want to work in a secondary language, we can make that happen. So the customer then gets redirected, they register with you. So now they're registered with your business. They can message you, and all registered users then will appear in your kind of admin console once they've registered. So they choose which language there because this has that particular setting enabled. Here we go, registered with your business. They receive a notification. You receive a notification. Registration request, you can see who's registered. You can either confirm or reject the request. So the whole point of this registering with you, other than just signing up for activities, is to give you extra access to your customers. So you can then post to their feed and send them messages. If someone's just made a booking with you, a singular booking, you are kind of limited on what you can send and receive from them and what you can access. So you really want to try and get your customers to register with you as a business. So you get detailed information then. And that can help you then with marketing and customer insights further down the line. And as we get more data, we'll be showing our providers graphs and stuff so they can kind of plan for the future. So this is what a new user account looks like. So this is your customer account. In this demo activities provider settings, we've selected that all new signups complete a direct debit mandate. So they get sent a notification upon sign up, which redirects them to complete a mandate. So you can either set up, well, you can set up whatever you want, but you can choose from Go Cardless for direct debit mandates, or also take Stripe payments, like one-off credit card payments. If that's what you want to do. So once you're all set up, this is where most of the action occurs in the activities manager and then your profile name. So once you've filled in all your profile details, contact information, email, bio, here in your settings, you can append like notes to your invoicing. You can add a message to people on sign up, just bits and bobs. You can choose which languages that you offer as a service. Back in your profile here, just making sure the address is correct. So this is where you add classes and activities. So let's add a quick demo activity. So this is basically where you manage your, and run your activities from. You can duplicate these activities, copy them, edit them. So just quickly set one up here. I'll take you through the entire options to show you it's quite flexible. So you can take cash payments, or credit card, Stripe, Go Cardless. So obviously an activity has a start date and an end date. And start time. It's probably quite basic stuff with creating your other activities. You probably use similar software. So they can repeat. Put in the end date there. Some advanced booking options, so you can allow one-off bookings, and you can set a certain price for that. You can allow latecomers, cancellations, create discount codes. You can password protect the booking area. So if you wanted to give a specific group of people early access, you can send them the link and the password. Discounts. So let's create a 20% discount here. I'll calculate the actual overall price from £100, 30% off. If my maths are right, that's 80 quid. Yeah, and you can also enable a waiting list. So I don't know if you know how this works, but if you've got a specific amount of tickets, say 20, they all get taken up, then the waiting list kicks in, people can join a waiting list, and then you can put in an amount of time between sending emails to the people on the waiting list. So like say you did a 10-minute gap or 20 minutes that is there, every 20 minutes the next person on the waiting list will be sent an email asking if they want to join. It's 20-minute intervals. That's what that is. Make sure my dates are correct. So obviously the end date can't be before the start date. And we should be able to create that activity now. Oop, there it is. That's a demo image, a default image which you can set, or you can obviously set a specific image per activity. Once you're all happy, you can choose to share the link on wherever platform you want, so Facebook or Twitter. So it'll create a link with a demo image. If I post that now to my Facebook. Actually, let's just add an actual image to the activity. We can show you that. Let's change that default image to a specific one. Let's just use that one there. So we've updated the image now. It's got that specific image. We should be able to share that with an image preview on Facebook. Refresh that. Post that. And there we go. So that's the preview link that Facebook shows. It's quite nice, isn't it? Post it to your friends then on Facebook. They can see that you've posted that. Go straight to your booking page where people can book into your activity. Got the link there. New customers are asked to put in their payment details just the once, so it saves them then. So it's easy then, with one click, they can just book into any activity that they want. That's pretty much it, really. Some other things I can show you. So your customers can also search by location. So if I go to the payments log link, and then we can search classes either by name or by location. So let's just search for archery there, for example. So they can search for your specific title of your activity, or they can search for the name of your business. They can do that from the main header search as well. They can search for anything from there, like name, business name, activity type, anything really. It's just a global search. And then you can also search by location. So here's activities near Barry. I think it's set a radius of like 20 or 30 kilometers. That can be changed, but it's good to give people a bit of choice on it because people don't mind traveling for the right activity. There's one at Mumbles Pier in Swansea. Different activities there, and then the user can then filter the search down then depending on day of the week, age, or anything like that. So that's pretty much the system, really. like obviously we can work with you to build any kind of features in that you want. But yeah, that's my effort as a presentation. It wasn't too bad or too painful. Oh, there's one other thing, which is the QR codes that you can give to your customers. So from the settings tab, top right, and there's also the QR code, which you can create QR codes for each activity or for your homepage. So if you want to create a poster and whack your QR code on there, out in the wild, people can just click on that and be directed straight to your page.